Welcome to Grade 5 Learning. This is Teacher Shelo, your teacher in Grade 5 level. For the content standard, the learner demonstrates understanding of divisibility, order of operations, factors and multiples, and 4 fundamental operations involving fractions. For the performance standard, the learner is able to apply divisibility, order of operations, factors and multiples, and the 4 fundamental operations involving fractions in mathematical problems and real-life situations. And for the most essential learning competency, the learner uses divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12 to find common factors. We are now in Quarter 1, Week 2, and our lesson for this week is about divisibility rules for 4, 8, 11, and 12 to find the common factors of numbers. Divisibility rules help us find common factors easily. I have here different examples of numbers divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12. These are the numbers divisible by 4. We have 812, 2,436, 4,860, 2012, and 2016. For numbers divisible by 8, we have 2,000, 1,640, 6,472, 12,184, and 104,120. For numbers divisible by 11, we have 979, 1,364, 132,220, 264,385, and 495,946. These are the numbers divisible by 12. We have 4,416, 7,152, 71,556, 102,744, and 118,488. And now, how do we know if a number is divisible by 4, 8, 11, and 12? Let's find out. Let's begin with divisibility rule for 4. If the number formed by the last 2 digits of a number is divisible by 4, then the original number is divisible by 4. Also, a number ending with 2 zeros is always divisible by 4. These are the different examples of numbers divisible by 4. For number 1, example number 1, we have 812. Divide the last 2 digits by 4, and the last 2 digits is 12. So 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Therefore, 812 is divisible by 4. Specifically, 812 divided by 4 is equals to 203. For example number 2, we have 2,436. First step, divide the last two digits by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is equals to 9. Therefore, 2,436 is divisible by 4. 2,436 divided by 4 is equals to 609. Example number 3 is 4,860. Divide the last two digits by 4. So 60 divided by 4 is equals to 15. Therefore, 4,860 is divisible by 4. 4,860 divided by 4 is equals to 1,215.
Preview.
For example number 4, we have 2012. Divide the last two digits by 4. So 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. Therefore, 2012 is divisible by 4. 2012 divided by 4 is equals to 503. Example number 5 is 2016. Divide the last two digits by 4. 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. Therefore, 2016 is divisible by 4. 2016 divided by 4 is equals to 504. For activity number 1, answer the following questions with yes or no. Write your answer in your notebook. We have 5 items. Number 1, is 200 divisible by 4? Number 2, is 348 divisible by 4? Number 3, is 455 divisible by 4? Number 4, is 1038 divisible by 4? And number 5, is 5292 divisible by 4? I will repeat. Answer the following questions with yes or no. Take your time to answer this activity number 1. And now, let us check your answers. For number 1, is 200 divisible by 4? 200 divided by 4 is equals to 50. So the correct answer is yes. Number 2, is 348 divisible by 4? 348 divided by 4 is equals to 87. The correct answer is yes. Number 3, is 455 divisible by 4? 455 divided by 4 is equals to 103.75. So 455 is not divisible by 4. The correct answer is no. Number 4, is 1038 divisible by 4? 8. Here is the next rule, divisibility rule for 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of the digits in the odd places and the sum of those in the even places is 0, or divisible by 11. And these are the different examples of numbers divisible by 11. We have 979, 1,364, 132,220, 264,385, 495,946. For example number 1, 979. The alternate digits of 979 are 9 and 9, whose sum is 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. The remaining digit is 7. The difference of these two is 18 minus 7 is equals to 11. So, the original number 979 is divisible by 11. 979 divided by 11 is equals to 89. Example number 2 is 1,364. The alternate digits of 1,364 are 1 and 6, whose sum is 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. The remaining digits are 3 and 4, whose sum is 3 plus 4 is equal 7. The difference of these two sums, 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. So, the original number 1,364 is divisible by 11. 1,364 divided by 11 is equals to 124. Example number 3 is 132,220. The alternate digits of 132,220 are 1, 2, and 2, whose sum is 1 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 5. The remaining digits are 3, 2, and 0, whose sum is 5 also. The difference of these two sums, 5 minus 5, is equals to 0. So the original number, 132,220, is divisible by 11. 132,220 divided by 11 is equals to 12,020. For example number 4, the given number is 264,385. The alternate digits of 264,385 are 2, 4, and 8, whose sum is 14. The remaining digits are 6, 3, and 5, whose sum is 14 also. The difference of these two sums, 14 minus 14, is equals to 0. So the original number 264,385 is divisible by 11. 264,385 divided by 11 is equals to 24,035. And for example number 5, 495,946. The alternate digits of 495,946 are 4, 5, and 4, whose sum is 13. The remaining digits are 9, 9, and 6, whose sum is 24. The difference of these two sums, 24 minus 13, is equals to 11. So the original number, 495,946, is divisible by 11. 495,946 divided by 11 is equals to 45,086. For activity number 3, identify the number that is divisible by 11. Put a check or an X on the blank provided before each number. The given numbers are Number 1, 69. Number 2, 145. Number 3, 165. Example number 3, 71,556. 7 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 is equals to 24. 24 divided by 3 is equals to 8. 71,556 is divisible by 3. The last two digits, 56 divided by 4 is equals to 14. 71,556 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 71,556 is divisible by 12. 71,556 divided by 12 is equals to 5,963. Example number 4 is 102,744. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 18. 18 divided by 3 is equals to 5. 102,744 is divisible by 3. And the last two digits, 44 divided by 4 is equals to 11. 102,744 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 102,744 is divisible by 12. 102,744 divided by 12 is equals to 8,562. And now, for example number 5, 118,488. The solution for number 5 is 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 30. 30 divided by 3 is equals to 10. So 118,488 is divisible by 3. For the last two digits, 88 divided by 4 is equals to 22. 118,488 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 118,488 is divisible by 12. 118,488 divided by 12 is equals to 9,874. For activity number 4, identify the number that is divisible by 12. Put a check or an X on the blank provided before each number. The given numbers are number 1, 60, number 2, 144, number 3, 1,071, number 4, 3,600, and for number 5, 7,812. I will repeat, identify the number that is divisible by 12. And now, let us check your answers. For number 1, 60 divided by 12 is equals to 5. So 60 is divisible by 12. The correct answer is check. Number 2, 144 divided by 12 is equals to 12. So 144 is divisible by 12. The correct answer is check. Number 3, 1,071 divided by 12 is equals to 89.25. So 1,071 is not divisible by 12. The correct answer is X. Number 4, 3,600 divided by 12 is equals to 300. So 3,600 is divisible by 12. The correct answer is check. And for number 5, 7,812 divided by 12 is equals to 651. So 7,812 is divisible by 12. The correct answer is check. And for the last activity, fill in the largest unit digit to make them divisible by the numbers on the left. And now, let us check your answer. Number 1. Divisible by 4. The given number is 125. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. Thus, the greatest digit can be put is 6, since 56 is divisible by 4. 1,256 divided by 4 is equals to 314. So the correct answer for number 1 is 1,256. Number 2, divisible by 8. The given numbers 3,673. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits are divisible by 8. Thus, the greatest digit can be put is 6, since 736 is divisible by 8. 36,736 divided by 8 is equals to 4,592. The correct answer for number 2 is 36,736. And for number 3, divisible by 11, the given numbers 1,496. A number is divisible by 11 if you add and subtract digits in an alternating pattern. Then check if that answer is divisible by 11. 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. So 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. The possible number can be added to 1,496 is 0. So 14,960 divided by 11 is equals to 1,360. The correct answer for number 3 is 14,960. And for number 4, divisible by 12, the given number is 108. A number is divisible by 12 if the number is divisible by both 3 and 4. Thus, the missing number, it can be 0. Therefore, the sum of the digits is 9 divisible by 3, and the last two digits is divisible by 4. 1,080 divided by 12 is equals to 90. The correct answer for number 4 is 1,080. And for number 5, divisible by 11, the given numbers 1,562. A number is divisible by 11 if you add and subtract digits in an alternating pattern. Then, check if that answer is divisible by 11. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. So 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. The possible number can be added to 1,562 is 0. So 15,620 divided by 11 is equals to 1,420. The correct answer for number 5 is 15,620. Once again, this is Teacher Shello, and I hope you learned something from me. Goodbye, kids!